Hello everyone, in today's video the brand new Armor 27T Pro features advanced FLIR camera imaging vision and a 64 megapixel night vision shooter with a 6.70-inch screen, 120Hz refresh rate, a large 10,600 mAh battery and a fast charging. It is a 5G flagship rugged phone with a tough Ulefone Defender structure. But what's the real performance? Let's dive into the Ulefone Armor 27T Pro's video review and take a closer look. Along with our Armor 27T Pro, we also got this excellent Armor protective case. This original Ulefone case intended for this smartphone is sold separately, and we will look at it a little later. The smartphone is packed in the distinctive Armor series box, featuring a bold yellow color and metallic details that represent durability and strength. In addition to the smartphone itself, we find a lot of things in the box. A lot of paperwork, including the Armor 27T Pro used a manual written in many different languages, multifunctional instructions and a bunch of other instructions for this phone, as well as this brochure that shows all the accessories you can buy with this smartphone, such as various endoscopic cameras, digital microscopes, cases and holders, phone mounts and much more that Ulefone offers. We can still find the additional screen protector, which is a tempered glass, even though the smartphone has a factory installed screen protector. Here is a SIM pick for opening the SIM tray, hand strap for secure phone handling, a red USB Type-C cable for fast charging, and a 32-watt fast charger. This complete set of accessories enhance the phone's rugged capabilities, making it top contender in the market. Now let's move on to exploring our smartphone. Ulefone Armor 27T Pro has a classic ruggedized design in black with the metal accents in a silver color. The metal chassis is visible on the side frames, while the rest of the model's frame is covered with a tough polycarbonate and shock-absorbing TPU. The corners have additional padding as usual. The rear shell is made of tough polycarbonate with a Kevlar-like finish. The Armor 70 Pro stands out not only for its toughness but also for its refined and modern aesthetic, making a reliable and attractive option in the rugged smartphone market. So on the right side of the metal frame we have these perforated metal buttons. These two are the volume buttons. Below is the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the left side there is a slot for a SIM card that has even 3 free slots, 2 for nano 5G SIM cards, at the same time as a place for microSD card of up to 2 TB. A little lower you'll notice the orange programmable button here, which can be personalized to execute various functions within phone or compatible applications such as the Zello PTT walkie-talkie function. This button can be activated with one click, double click or long press. And below there is a U-Smart connector that serves to make Armor 20T Pro a more professional device to connect with the endoscopes, microscopes and other equipment for professional use. At the bottom we have USB-C port for charging, speaker grills and the microphone hole. At the very top we can still find a 3.5mm headphone jack as well as the infrared blaster. As with other models in the Armor series, the Armor 27T Pro can function as a universal remote control for your home, allowing you to manage devices such as air conditioners, televisions and the hi-fi stereo systems through the app on the phone. You can control any device with the infrared connectivity, making it highly versatile. This feature is extremely practical and significantly enhances the phone's value. The Ulefone Armor 27T Pro showcases an impressive 6.78-inch IPS display with the FHD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. The screen supports a high 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate, giving the smooth visuals and responsive touch interactions. Protected by the coating Gorilla Glass Victus, the display is designed to resist scratches and impacts while featuring olophobic coating to repel fingerprints. It also supports touch input with gloves, enhancing usability in various conditions. The display is exceptionally bright, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, and its expansive size offers an immersive viewing experience. The design includes slightly wider frames for extra protection, adding to its rugged appeal. On the top of the display, the receiver sits alongside with LED notification light positioned to the right, while the central punch hole houses a high-quality 32-megapixel Samsung front camera. This camera is ideal for sharp selfies and video calls and includes face unlock functionality for convenient and secure access. The vibrant display and satisfactory black levels deliver a commendable contrast ratio which significantly enhance color representation. Colors appeal accurate, vivid and crisp, ensuring an enjoyable viewing experience. For users with moderate expectations, the screen is well suited for daily web browsing, social media activities, and even extended YouTube video seasons. Thanks to its long-lasting battery, you can comfortably use the phone through the day without worrying about running out of the power. Now let's take a look at the back of the phone now and see this impressively designed back camera model. The design not only incorporates state-of-the-art technology but also embodies a modern and sophisticated aesthetics, seamlessly blending innovation with practical functionality. The back of the phone showcases a beautiful design metallic square lens frame housing an array of advanced cameras and sensors. The 2070 Pro comes with features that set it apart from the competition. There we have a dual camera system which consists of the 50-megapixel Samsung main camera lens and the 64-megapixel night vision camera. The infrared night vision ensures the darkness is no barrier, featuring a 64-megapixel OmniVision sensor and Ulefone Night Elf Ultra 3.0 algorithm. The Armor 2070 Pro stands out with its exceptional features, including a state-of-the-art thermal imaging function. Equipped with the built-in FLIR Lepton thermal micro camera, it can detect infrared light from objects and the temperatures above absolute zero that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. Enhancing its capabilities, the MyFLIR Pro app, one of the most advanced thermal imaging applications available today. It offers cutting-edge image processing, comprehensive analytics, report generation, and versatile capture options, all with an intuitive interface. This powerful integration delivers sophisticated image processing and analyzing tools, serving a new benchmark for the thermal imaging technology in smartphones and catering to both professionals and tech enthusiasts. The 50-megapixel main camera is capable of recording videos in maximum 2K resolution and 30 fps with ACE stabilization option. All in all, these are all excellent camera sensors and they will take some pretty good photos for you. To get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our Armor 2070 Pro, so let's take a look. The Ulefone Armor 2070 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, renowned for its exceptional performance and efficiently. Built on 6nm process, this chipset combines power and effortlessly handling everyday multitasking and demanding gaming. The 8-core CPU and advanced Armor G57 MC2 GPU ensure smooth and lag-free performance across various applications and tasks. With robust 5G connectivity, the Dimensity 6300 chipset facilitates a swift and seamless streaming, calls, and internet browsing, enhancing your connectivity experience. Whether you are making multiple apps or engaging in the intense gaming seasons, the Armor 2070 Pro delivers the speed and reliability you need. The phone boasts substantial 12GB of base RAM, expandable to 24GB with the additional 12GB of virtual RAM, ensuring even faster and more efficient multitasking. It also offers a generous 256GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage, providing ample space for your photos, music files, and applications. Running on the latest Android 14 operating system, the Armor 2070 Pro features a clean, intuitive user interface with new themes, AI-generated wallpapers, and privacy updates for safeguard your health, safety, and data. The phone comes free of bloatware, pre-installed with essential Google applications for a streamlined experience and seamless integration into the Google ecosystem. Additional practical tools include the System Manager Optimizer, a toolbox, and a classic wireless FM radio, which is particularly useful for outdoor scenarios. Notable features of the Armor 2070 Pro include NFC support for convenient Google Pay transactions, Bluetooth 5.2 for enhanced connectivity, and robust GPS system with multi-satellite network support. The phone excels in reliability for calls, data transfers, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Armor 2070 Pro is equipped with a massive 10,600 mAh battery, ensuring extended periods of gaming and entertainment without frequent charging. Within support for 33W wireless charging and 30W wireless charging, so you can quickly power up. A single charge provides up to 3 to 4 days on average use, 58 hours of talk time, and 20 hours of continuous video playback. This powerful battery ensures you're ready for both daily activities and extended adventures without worrying about running out of the power. And I almost forgot to mention one of the very important thing, which is that Armor 2070 Pro proudly holds the IP68 and IP69K rating, significantly its ability to withstand immersion in water up to depth of 2 meters for duration of 30 minutes, while also demonstrating resistance to both dust and water intrusion. Additionally, it successfully meets the rigorous MIL-STD 810H military standard, confirming the device's ultimate resilience in exceptional harsh environments. To make the protection even better and more complete, as we mentioned in the beginning of the video, we also got this original multifunctional protective case compatible only with our Armor 27 Pro, with its anti-shock absorbent TPU corners and a rigid plastic body. This protective case provides additional protection from drops, scratches and shocks. Precise cutouts enable easy access to all buttons on the phone, ports and camera, and perfectly matched with that Armor 27 Pro. It comes with 180-degree rotatable back clip to bring comfortable bevel angle, can be clipped to the belt for portability, or you can add a secure carabiner attachment for ease of access and various application occasions. This multifunctional case is sold separately from the mobile phone, and I would definitely recommend it for those of you who work on the high altitudes and on the demanding terrains in order to keep your smartphone as long as possible. Noteworthy features include the remarkably infrared night vision and the thermal cameras, substantial 10,600 mAh battery for extended use, and smooth performance is guaranteed by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor, and ample memory capacity with its robustness and the impressive functionality offered and a reasonably priced. The Ulefone Armor 27 Pro is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals looking for a reliable device. So, is the Ulefone Armor 27 Pro worth of the investment? Absolutely. If you are intrigued by this capability of this rugged phone, which I'm sure you are, make sure to check out the official sales links provided below this video. Take advantage of the current promotional pricing before it's too late, as the quantities are limited. Don't miss out the opportunity to secure your own Ulefone Armor 27 Pro rugged phone today. That wraps up this review. Remember to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more video reviews coming soon. Bye.